Khaldekar from TYCAC A Division. In today's video, we are going to learn a very important topic from DBMS SQL constraint. Constraints help us to maintain the accuracy, reliability, integrity of data stored in a database. Whenever we insert, update, or delete data from a table, constraints ensure everything remains valid. What are constraints? Constraints are rules applied to table columns. They restrict the type of data that can be stored. The main purpose of constraints is to maintain data integrity and avoid invalid data from entering the database. Some important constraints some important constraints are not null, unique, default, check, key constraints, primary key, foreign key, and domain constraints. Now let's understand each one in detail with examples. First one is not null constraint. The not null constraints ensures that a column cannot have null values. If we do not provide any value while inserting a record by default a column stores null. But if we apply not null, the database will not allow null values. For example, create table student roll number int not null. This means every student must have a roll number. Null values are not allowed. Second one is a unique constraint. Unique constraint ensures that no two rows have the same value in a particular column. This prevents duplicate values. For example, create table student stud address varchar 34 unique. Here, every student must have a unique address. Duplicates are not allowed. Default constraint. The default constraint assigns a default value to a column if no value is provided by the user. For example, create table student ex- exam fee in default 10,000. If the exam fee is not allowed during insertion, it will automatically take the value 10,000. Next one is a check. The check constraint is used in SQL to set a condition on a column. It makes sure that the values entered in that column must follow a specific rule or range. For example, create table student roll number int not null check roll number is greater than 1000. Now the database will allow only roll numbers greater than 1000. If someone tries to insert roll number 900 or 500, then it gets error because it does not satisfy the check condition. Key constraint. First one, primary key. A primary key uniquely identifies each record in a table. It must follow two rules. First one, it must be unique. It must be not null. For example, create table student roll number int not null. Primary key roll number. Roll number cannot be null and cannot be duplicated. Next one, foreign key. A foreign key is used to create a relationship between two tables. It refers to the primary key of another table. This ensures referential integrity, meaning you cannot insert invalid values that do not exist in reference table. Last one is domain constraint. Domain constraints ensure that each column only accepts values of a specific data type. For example, an int column cannot store text and date column cannot store numbers. This ensures that where only valid data types are entered into the table. Constraints are essential in DBMS because they help maintain clean, correct, and consistent data. If Thank you.